Hi, I'm here again for another real talk. Actually, it's mini real talk. Let's be real. Lahat tayo may pangarap. Pero ilan lang talaga ang kumikilos araw-araw para abutin yun. Diba? Dreams don't come true by hoping. They come true by showing up even on the hard days. Hindi kailangan perfect. Kailangan lang po consistent. Yung small actions mo ngayon, yan ang magdadala sa'yo sa big breakthrough mo bukas. 'Di ba? So, kung handa ka nang tumigil sa someday and start doing something today. Save this, share this, and follow for more real talk, mini real talk reminders. Your dream is waiting for you to move. Bye. Yan lang po sa ngayon.